guys, this is the current condition of my kitchen, and we are going to clean huko behind the fridge, cabinet, cooker na tupange hapo. Yeah, so yeah, stay tuned and watch till the end.
It's captivating me, but don't think that I can see right through that disguise. But when you got close to me, you had me falling so hard, baby, yeah, now I get it. You got heads turning, and you don't even try. Well, would you look at that? My glass is empty, How about I get another drink, baby? Okay, I get it. You got fire burning right there in your eyes. So when you got
days on the coast of something beautiful. We got pulled into the tide of something real. But somehow I lost you on the way. I assumed you left me behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it. Now I know what I've got to do is find my way back to you. Why did it take you so long? Hey, while I was dancing on my own. Hey, and now my prayers been answered in my darkest time. 'Cause now I found you. Waiting on the day you would come back to me, hoping that I didn't burn a bridge I couldn't see. And now that you're by my side again, I'll never leave you behind.
So my freezer part haina vitu mingi sana. Hizi ni nyama, sausages, alafu na kideri. Niweka hivyo kwa kupa. So this is how my fridge is looking. I've already arranged everything, and I showed you how I arrange my vegetables in the fridge in my previous video. So dania stems, ama the coriander stems, This one I was told inaitwa Royco. Sijai try out. I have modern ears. Hapa. Juu tena niko na omena for my babies. Capsicums hizi mbili. Hapa niko na lemons. My tomato paste. Chini na apples, carrots, my watermelon. Hii ni ice cubes but uko kwa freezer kumejaa. Alafu my tomatoes. Kwa mlango chini na yogurt, juice, milk, more milk. Hapa niko na chilies na mayai. Yeah, that is how my fridge part is looking.
The scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares too. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
So this is how everything has turned out, and I'm very proud of myself. I hope it gave you a motivation to clean your spaces.
Stormy seas, oh, you meant the world to me.